Hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar thiar tu John Vanal chuanga Mizoram Rajya Sabha MP atana thlantlin pukhiang telal tuangki machuvain chomhadar som pakhat khan Rajya Sabha Chairman CP Radhakrishnanan Rajya Sabha member atan rin omna thu tiam tirin alaluta he huna hianama chaulaklu ani
I khiang telal tuangki ma having been elected a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as my law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I'm about to enter.
When Rajya Sabha furut khom nimha sabera Mizoram Rajya Sabha MP Pariyadna atana laklu pukelal tuangki mahi Mizoram atangin misom parukin antroyoma Mizoram Sarkar ayo in Lok Sabha MP Purichad Vanal Mangai Baka Mizoram Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Pulal Famkima Mizoram House Additional Resident Commissioner Pu Alexander V Chong Thule Lunglei Not Biel to MLA Pu V Mal Som Kluangate Party Mile Achungten antroyom ani State Taxation Department Commissioner Pu HKL Honglianan GST masona chu ramchung ele bar mason na konga poimo takani thuasoi hethui Press Information Bureau Aizawl buatsai one day media vartalap on 12 years of governance on employment generation and economic reforms under GST amhan puina asoya Pu HKL Hongliana chuan Prime Minister Narendra Modi kai hruai sarkar hnuaia Indian kongsang sangin ma sonti soin ele bar konga ram than na chu India ma son na thlen tulian ani atia GST pun na chu ram ma son na thlen tu ani ti soin data sakya mai ni lovin ram ma son na in nga na lungphum poimo tak ani atia hun ma salama ele bar zon na konga har san na thin na ram India chu tuna chuan midang te na siam saktu ani to ti asoi
It made moving goods across the country much faster. When GST was introduced, all the state border checkpoints were abolished. It helps small businesses get officially registered so they can get their loans. It has led to record high tax collection because our economy is growing and the people are following the rules. So we can say that GST is a bold economic reform that does not just look good on paper. It fundamentally restructures the economic DNA of the country.
He hun man pui tu dong pu LR sailo chuan sarkar lai pui malang na hnuaia media athang chakhle ti soin tun lai thiam na mangin mitin in thuthar ol sam takin an hra thei atia Mizoram angai po tual chunga thuthar te dar tu ten man son ti soin mi puiten dik tak le rin tlak an hre thei pha atia khotlang siam that konga media an poimo ti soin dik takan na thok thrin turin acha ani Khadi and Village Industries Commission Assistant Director PJ Zaurin Puichuan Sarkar lai pui malak na hnuaia mi puite ham that na sang ta langin mi puite mamo thlen turin sarkar omreng atibok FIFA World Cup sang ni samni paruk final pualin Mizoram Sarkar chuan vain hian zirna in zongjong chol apuanga sarkar pi sakai tan chamma chol apuang bok khovela football huang chunga in el sangber FIFA World Cup sang ni samni paruk pual hian mimal enkol sikul engmaza chuan an zirlai le zirtir tu ten World Cup final churil rule taksa hadam taka an entheina tan thotan ni hi chol an lo puanga Mimal enkol na tho na mun then khata chol puan ani bok Chief Minister Pulal do ma chuan Mizo te chu football ngai na takan ni a thalai te zinga izon na na mang thei khopa thiaman tamti soin thalai in fiam mi nei bel zealandu atia the greatest show on earth ti hiala an lo soi thin in el naro pui khovel mi pui te thlir na sat kumli dana thleng thrin ania final match chu zanlai pel to hnuwa khel ani do na wangin football ngai na state trend khat te ti dan thoin mitin in hadam taka an en theu theinan voin hian zirna school zongjong te tan chol puan ania sarkar pisa te tan half holiday puanin chonu dar khat atanga office hon turani ti ani FIFA World Cup sangni samni paruka hian Spain chuan sikhat fain Argentina an hnia an champion ani ni zana final in khela hun pangaya goal omlova anin hne tok hnuin hun pek bel minute zale parukna Spain tan Ferran Torres chuan chakna goal akhung ani kumsang ni soma an champion hnuwa Spain chun World Cup no more an choile ta ani tun World Cup a hian goal som thun tu France striker Kylian Mbappe chuan golden boot adonga Spain captain le midfielder Rin Roll Rodri chuan tournament chunga player khel thaberatan loman golden ball adonga FIFA young best player tan Spain defender kum som pok kwaleka upa pau kurbasi chu than ania the Netherlands ten fair play trophy andong ani Mizoram hun sang fur kho cheng mek chuan ni thum vel ala odon nia alan thu Indian Meteorological Department Aizawl Director Sudhir Kumar Dwivedi chuan soya film khur turin mi puite acha Akashvani News Aizawl zo da changin pu Sudhir Kumar Dwivedi chuan tuni thum lo om tura khua ala cheng theya mun ren khata chuan na sataka ruwa sur theya ni thule leimin te naw po thleng theya ni thu asoi.
This is a part of monsoon, so we can expect that it will continue for another 3 days, and there will be a possibility of continuation of low visibility because of ST cloud that are coming in the surface. So we can expect like thunderstorm, and low visibility will be the major part.
Tun naya ruasuna sa wanga asam tuilian chuan zualam apan zela apara samar ruasuna sa wang hian lui then khatsulen bel zelin tuiluan zong hlom te na danger level po apel chona salhea tuilen zualna mun Sivasagar Charadio le Jorhata te Indian Army National Disaster Response Force le State Disaster Response Force se chuan san chuana angkal pui me kani Assam sarkar thu chuata landanin tuilian hian tundin huna revenue circle somni pani chunga khozan hi som kwa pariat ti boy me ka hriat theichina mi singa sangsari chuangin tuilian hi tur mekin thlai chin na mun available khoma hectare sangthum zare samsari palia zau tuilian hian a chi cheto bok chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani